Alright guys, sorry for my camera quality, but we're doing the trial of how I did that one video. Oh my god. Go back to my one video. We're doing a trial. Nope, not that. The new one. We're doing a trial of how to do this video. Just like that. Pause that so I don't get copyrighted. So, I don't want to get copyrighted, but, so, I'm not sure what song I used. Let me go look. Definitely not this. Nope, nope. I'm not sure what song I used, but, so, like, I had her smack the phone, smack it, and then I went like that. Yep, I know. My phone ain't broken, I promise you. Well, yep, that's it.